Now this is provided by CBSE. In curriculum you can go and see the list is given, 12th practical list. Now read a text file line by line and display each word separated by a hash. Already I have shared you the old videos, it was given in that. So playlist I have shared with you. Again I am showing you once. If you all remember the codes, you just help me to type the code. So the first one is, now these practicals of which you have to write in practical copy, these you have to practice, because in exam also, practical exam also, you will be asked with these questions. So practical list or practical one. Now what is your practical one? The first one. So read a text file line by line and display each word separated by a hash. Now you have to be careful what is written here, because you can read it para-wise, you can read it word-wise. So whatever is given, I will just simply do the same thing. So here what is written, that read a text file line by line, not para-wise, not. So here read lines you will use. Already we have done this 3, that is read, read line and read lines, S. So here I will use read lines, and then you can do it, or you can use read line and after doing your task again you can read line and in a loop you can put it. So 2 methods are there to do this. I am using here, first I will take the input from user. Now tell me what will be the command. So first it is a story or it is a text file. So text file I am giving the name as story only. So story equals to, you have to open a file first. So how to open a file?
Ma'am, I open.
Open and then
Bracket that file name.
File name, suppose file name is also story. Story.txt. And then you have to first write in a file. So which one will be better? W or
Read.
append mode. Clear? So append mode I have written here. This is a text file, so I will not write B here. In text file I am skipping, because in binary file B I was using. In text file I will not write B. So I have opened a file, and now what I have to do, I have to write in that file. So for writing in that file, what you have to do here, you have to first take the input from the user. Now input text I am taking from the user. Now how to take input from the user? Input, enter your story. Enter the story. Enter the text. So you have taken from the user. After taking from the user, you have to write in a file. These videos I have already shared with you. See, here F, you are opening the file, and then input you are taking, writing in a file, closing. Only these 4 lines you have to write. So already the previous videos have been shared. So now what you will do, you have to write in a file. So here story.write, small letter it is. So you have to write in a file. Some of the students will write here F. If you are comfortable with F file, you can write here F also. So F dot, now write, you will use what you have to write, the text which you have taken from the user, and then close it. So this is over. So F dot close. So writing in a file is over. Now menu driven is compulsory. So what I will do, these writing in a file, I will write in a menu. So here I will try to use a function def to write in a file, and this I will indent it. All these I will indent it. So this is done, writing in a file. Now I have to read and display. So display each word separated by hash. So I am using here a display, and in this I have to, in practical copy you will write this right also, because in some last year what I was seeing, that only you have written, only some of the students have written to display and not to write it, then practically it will not run. So best is first write in that file and then display it. Now what, how to display it? Tell. The above one only. Same, you will open the file in read. So here it will be read mode, and then what you have to do, you have to read from the file. So it is f.read, and you have to store in a variable, but in the question it is given, normally we do read function we use to read from a file, but in the question it is written line by line. So what I am doing is I am using read lines, or you can use here read line, but then a loop you have to use. So okay, read lines dot split. So it is reading line by line, or for loop you can use here a for loop for one by one. So read lines I have used, and then I am taking a for loop for one by one. So one line at a time. So x in s, one line it will take. Now we have to split the words and print the words. So here I will split the words. So I can use here for x in, for word in. Now x is having one line at a time, so x dot split will give you words separately, and then you print the word with a hash. So print the word. This is one method. I will show you some other methods also. Now when you have to continue in that same line only, I am writing here end equals to, in single quotes I am writing here hash. Now let us execute it. So this is over. You just close your file, f.close, and then menu driven program. For this I want to use sys, so, or true break you can use. So okay, if you don't want to use import sys, then here while true you have to break the loop at the end. So here main program I am writing, it is a menu driven program. In this main program I have to display the menu. So in while true I will display the menu, and in this you have, using print command, I am displaying the menu here. Now in first option I will write in that file. So write a story in story.dat file, write in a file, and the second one will be display the words with, display words with hash, separated by a hash. So this is your task. This is your 2 menu, and 3 menu can be your exit if you want. So here print 3 is for exit. You can write in a single line also with /n, both are correct. Yes. Now you will take the choice from the user. So choice, it is in 1 to 3, that means int you have to take from user, integer value. Input, enter your choice, enter your choice. After that you will use if command. If choice equals to 1, then you will call the functions. So write and display two functions you have to call. First one I have solved for you. Second one you will solve and you will tell me the answer. So this is your choice 2 and this is used to display. So this will be displayed, and the third one is exit. So what I am doing is I am simply breaking. I haven't used import sys, so I will not use here sys.exit. Print before exiting if you have to give a message. So this is the end, or have a nice day, and then exit. So break I am writing. So this is over. Now execute and see. Write in a file. So first choice I am entering. Enter a story. So story you have to write. Once upon a time there was no COVID. Any story you write it, and then when you will run it, so this has been written. Now 2 I will enter. So you can see once hash upon hash. So question was your question. Yes, this is your question. Read a text file and display the number of, sorry, where is the first question? Yes. Read a text file line by line and display each word separated by a hash. So this task is over. Clear? So this is your output. It is displayed line. So output you will write it this way. You all know in practical copy how to write it. The lines are there. In that there you will write aim. So aim will be this. You write the aim here. This will be your aim. Second is your program or your practical. So this will be your program. This will be your program in copy. You can write the logic if you want, that using first we will read line, and using the split commands we will split into words, and then using the separator hash using with print command we will print each word. So logic also, you write the logic of the program. What is the logic of the program? After writing in a file using read lines, so using read line or read lines, two functions are there. One is read line or read lines. Read the line, store it in a variable, then use split command to split into words. Split function to split into words. That is it, the line will be split into words, and then using separator, use separator hash using end equals to separator hash with print command, print it with print command. So this is the logic. Clear? How you are solving your question. So logic you have written, program you have written, output you will write here, and this complete output you have to write in the white page in your practical copy. So from today you will start writing this, and after 15 days the portion which we have done, that is your function you have done, text file, then binary file, and CSV also we will complete. So all this you will share in Google Classroom. So this is your first practical over.